Welcome to the Team Dynamics Administrator Training resource videos. In this series, we will go over some of the main configurations of the TDX Administrative Interface, referred to as TD Admin. In this first video, we will be going over ticket classifications and statuses. The classification settings are found in the landing page for your ticketing application in TD Admin. Classifications are a way in which TDX tickets can be categorized, while statuses are used to track a ticket's progress throughout its lifecycle. There are 6 different classifications to choose from in alignment with the Service Management Framework. Note that every ticket in TDX is assigned to one of these classifications, and a ticket's classification can be changed when necessary. Please refer to go.uic.edu/TDX-classifications for details on each classification and how they relate to one another. In our ticketing application, Incident is the default classification. This means that any ticket that is created will default to Incident. This default can be overridden in a variety of ways, which will be covered in detail in later videos. For now, Technology Solutions recommends setting this default to whichever classification of ticket you believe you receive most often. For example, if most of your ticket volume is from your clients reporting an issue that needs to be fixed, you would set your default to Incident. If most of your ticket volume is from your clients asking questions or requesting access or information, you would set your default to Service Request. The active column shows whether a classification is currently active or not. As you can see, Major Incident is currently not active. Technology Solutions suggests deactivating any classification that your unit does not use. Classifications can be re-enabled at any time. While you cannot add new classifications, you can rename them, changing the words that are displayed to your ticketing staff and to your clients. To edit a classification, select the Edit button in the right-hand side of the column. Note that in general, Technology Solutions does not recommend renaming these classifications unless there is a particular need for your unit's business practices. This concludes the review of the classification settings for your ticketing application. Next, we'll review ticket statuses. Select the Status option in the left-hand sidebar. Statuses are used to reflect where a ticket is in its life cycle. There are 5 status classes to reflect lifecycle stage, and within each of these classes, you can have one or more statuses to meet your business needs. Every class must have at least one status assigned to it. New indicates that work on a ticket has not yet been started or accepted. In process indicates that a ticket has been accepted but that work on it has not been completed. This counts as an SLA response. Completed indicates that work on a ticket has been completed. This counts as both an SLA response and a resolution. Canceled indicates that work on a ticket has been canceled. On hold indicates that work on a ticket has been suspended but may continue later. Team Dynamics includes 7 built-in ticket statuses. These statuses can be customized further to meet any unique needs of your unit. The 7 built-in statuses are: New indicates that the ticket has been received but not yet been assigned to a technician. Open indicates that an incident has been assigned to a technician or group. In process indicates that the technician is actively working with the user to diagnose and resolve the ticket. Resolved indicates the technician has confirmed that the ticket is resolved. Closed indicates that the requester has acknowledged that the resolution is to their satisfaction. Canceled indicates that a ticket has been canceled. No further action needs to be taken. On hold indicates that the ticket requires some information or response from the user or from a third party. If you plan to leverage the service level agreements functionality of TDX, covered in a later video, the on-hold status is critical, as SLA timers are paused while a ticket remains in an on-hold status. To create custom ticket statuses, select the New button at the top of the page. Enter the name, description, and order. The order settings controls where the status is placed in a drop-down list of statuses when your ticketing staff update the status. Then choose the associated status class. When you are done, select Save. You may also edit ticket statuses to rename them and change their order value. Select the Edit button at the end of the row of the status you'd like to edit. Update the desired information. Select Save when you are done. Thank you for watching this training video on configuring the ticket classifications and statuses. View further information at go.uic.edu/tdx-admin-resources and check out the next video in the series, looking at settings configuration for your ticketing application.